Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week and are ready for a cracking fabulous weekend. So excited for today, Friday Freebie. Free printable you can download on my Facebook group and also on my newsletter and on my website too. Keep watching and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. Today I am super happy to show you the Friday Freebie tutorial. So if you are like me that like ice cream, this is the freebie for you. Now this particular print I haven't got on my digital. However, I got an entire collection which is called the Vintage Cookbook, and I'll show you in just a moment on the screen, which is 4 of them. They are my absolutely best sellers. A lot of you like myself like to cook and have done a vintage cookbook using my papers. So I'm just gonna show you on the screen now as well, because don't forget guys that throughout April is the month of my birthday. It's the month of my YouTube channel's birthday, and also it's a month of my business birthday. So I've got 3 big celebrations in April. So I'm offering discounts across my website on pretty much everything. And the papers that I've used to design this one are discounted as well. But let me show you everything on the screen now. Okay guys, the code to have 30%, absolutely everything, is BDAY30. Okay, this code is valid all month from the 1st of April to the 31st of April, and that give a 30% off absolutely everything. Happy crafting and happy shopping. Okay, so this is my website. Don't forget that you can use the 30% code across my fine art pieces. So my fine art pieces gets shipped to you. They are printed. Those 2 are A5 in a watercolor paper, and this is on an A4 watercolor paper. They get print out and shipped to your home address, free delivery. Okay, so you will have 30% discount on those as well. You also get 30% discount on my ebook. Is called The Artful Chaos or Imagined Memories, a guide to beautiful junk journals, and of course my book Blattified junk journals workshop, that you get the papers and the video tutorials, and of course all my digital papers are 30% off using the code. So let me show you the vintage cookbook collection. So there is 5 collection. One is called Coffee O'Clock, the vintage cookbook base, which basically these are the bases that you can construct your journal. Okay, so you've got 7 pages and mix of background, tabs and labels to create the base of your vintage cookbook. If you click on here, there is a video that shows you all the pages one by one. This is all the tabs. That's the if you want to make like recipe cards. Then there is another one with the tags. It's called the Vintage Cookbook Embellishments. So there's like tags, again embellishment cards. You can make vintage cards or postcards. There's lots of pages. So yeah, you get 4, and then here, which is my favorite one, the Vintage Cookbook, the backgrounds, and on here there is hundreds of recipes. Okay, with the pictures. Some are vintage from vintage cookbooks. Look, I just put them all together in an A4 so you can print them. Oh, love them. Okay, so if you do want to make your own vintage cookbook, don't forget to get the 30% discount code so you get all of this for less than £10. As usual guys, this print is available to download on my Facebook group. So if you click the tabs files, again I will show you everything in just a moment. And also this is sent on my newsletter. I will put what the newsletter look like here on the left hand side. We've got an email sent out every Friday at 9 p.m. with the video recap of the week in case you guys have missed it. With the kit of the week, there is also a cheeky discount code. Always a little treat. for you guys that are subscribers. Yeah, there's a lot of information in there, and I know a lot of you loved it, and I will put one of the lovely comment on the screen now from lovely lady. Thank you so much, I really appreciate it. But let me show you where to find this on my Facebook group. Okay guys, so this is my Facebook group. So once you're in, you scroll down, so you see all the posts from the lovely crafters. So this is post from Wendy that made a folio using some of my papers. That's my post about the Easter kit. Again, there's loads of creators that, oh, this is Julia, that she recently joined my VIP membership. Thank you, Julia. Again, all other crafters, they share the video tutorials, and of course all my freebie. Okay, so it's a very interactive platform. I really recommend, if you guys are on Facebook, to join us, because you get tons and tons of ideas. So where do you find your my freebie? So if you click on files there, you see all the freebies that I have shared in date order. Okay, so from the most recent to the most old ones, and there is about 3 years worth of freebies. So come and join us there, and what you do is simply click in there and then download. Okay, I hope you will get it either on my newsletter or my Facebook group, because there's so many things you can do. You can either pussycat them themselves, all the little embellishment. I mean, look at the cupcake. What's your favorite flavor of ice cream? Let me know in the comment. Mine, if I really have to pick one, will probably be hazelnut. If I can have two, will be hazelnut and vanilla together. Yummy. Or pistachio, hazelnut pistachio. I like creamy flavor. I'm not a fan of fruity flavored ice creams. I like rich creamy flavors. So let me know down in the comment what's yours. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a really big huge thumbs up. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube. Just a reminder guys, that on April, throughout the full month, from the 1st of April to the 31st or 30th, I think it's 30th, I have a sale on my website, because April is the month of my birthday, it's the month of my channel's birthday, and also it's the month of my business birthday. So I've got 3 big birthdays throughout the full month. So it's a way for me to say thank you to every single one of you. So yeah, just go to my website and have a look and treat yourself. I will put another video here on the screen guys, so if you wish to carry on watching for more ideas and inspiration, please feel free to do so, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.